What's the meaning of achingly? Achingly. 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 The word achingly is an adverb that means in a way that causes a dull, continuous pain. It is often used to describe something that is beautiful, sad, or nostalgic. For example, you might say that a song is achingly beautiful if it makes you feel a deep sense of longing or sadness. Or, you might say that a memory is achingly nostalgic if it brings back a flood of happy memories that make you feel wistful. Here are some examples of how the word achingly can be used in a sentence. The old man looked out at the sea, his eyes achingly nostalgic for his youth. The song was achingly beautiful, and it brought tears to her eyes. The memory of her lost love was achingly painful, and she could not bear to think about it. In short, the word achingly can be used to describe anything that causes a deep emotional pain. It is a powerful word that can be used to evoke a wide range of emotions in the reader or listener.